10 shocking underwater drone finds. Terrifying deep sea footage. Divers, stay alert and careful always. 10th, blue hole. Amid the Caribbean, a deep blue hole like Earth's pupil stares back. Not sci-fi, but Belize's great blue hole. Only underwater drones finally revealed this abyss's terrifying truth below. Great blue hole, 318 meters wide, 124 meters deep. Ice Age low seas exposed limestone, creating countless stalactite caves here. Warming melted glaciers. Seas rose, cave flooded, collapsed, leaving deep sinkhole. Divers found stalactites and stalagmites, showing it was once dry, flooded by sea, 15,000 years old. Earth's time machine. Yet this UNESCO site is in paradise. In 2018, a drone dove deep. Footage chilled. Camera dives through blue light. Deeper. Water darkens to ink black. At 90 meters, drone found hydrogen sulfide. A curtain between life, death. Above, fish and corals live. Below, anoxic deadland. Past this layer, life instantly suffocates. Silent remains. At the pit's bottom, the drone saw scattered dive gear, corroded metal, and posed bodies. Lost divers never returned. More chilling, the pit holds thousands of conch shells. Trapped, they suffocated. Spiraling, drone samples revealed sediments preserve ancient climate records. Cores show cave wall mineral layers trace 5,700 years Caribbean shifts. Alarmingly, data shows hurricanes growing frequent. This abyss quietly marks worsening climate crisis. Beyond clues, blue hole's mysteries. Drone footage shows traces in the pit floor, like prehistoric sea reptile fossils. Unconfirmed yet. Stunning scientists. Isolated low oxygen habitat may preserve ancient remains. Key clues. 9th, Cuban Atlantis, 2001. Canadian ADC and Cuba used side-scan sonar, spotting geometric structures, sparking mystery. 2 square kilometers. Sonar shows square and round forms on seabed. Buried city ruins. More shocking, sub-drone footage shows pyramids, round towers, and orderly walls. A geologist said the stones resemble cut granite, smooth-edged, unlike shattered natural strata. How did these buildings get so deep? Geologists say sinking to 600 to 750 meters takes 50,000 plus years. Then humans had no tools. If these are human-made ruins, their civilization predates Sumer, Egypt, even Atlantis. Scientists are split. Researchers think it's a prehistoric site, perhaps an unknown city drowned by sea rise or crushed ships post-glacial. They note right angles and symmetry, common in man-made, rare naturally. Some say Atlantis may lie here, yet some scientists doubt it. Cuban geologist Manuel Iturralde says seabed geometry can arise naturally. Fractures, cooling basalt columns, or erosion layering. Robert Ballard found Titanic's wreck, said it's too deep. A city would surprise him. Controversy persists for lack of evidence. Sonar images and clips spread, but raw data, footage, samples unpublished. Since 2001, Cuba and ADC published nothing new. Deep water sampling is costly. Submersible dive costs $300,000. This finding stays cloaked in mystery, unproven or disproven. What's your take? 8th, Jacob's Well in Texas Hill Country. Jacob's Well looks calm and perfectly mirror clear, yet still is called Hell's Water Gate. Why? Jacob's Well, Hays County, Texas. Karst Spring, 3.7-meter opening, gateway to caves. Year-round 20 degrees Celsius spring, like summer escape. Tourists dive, swim, beneath blue water. Dark 1.3 kilometers passage. Drone scans show 42-meter well passage. Branches reach unknown depths. A nature-carved maze. Even light can't pass. 9 meters down. Turn. Sun gone. Karst walls. Deeper in. The cave splits into rooms. First safe. Second tight. Jagged walls. Worst is false exit. A rising crack that seems lit, but ends dead. Misguiding divers. Descend to third chamber. Floor gravelly. Drone pressure sensor alarmed often. Slightest touch rolled gravel. Stirring sediment. Chamber 4. Divers Virgin Cave. Is nearly impassable. Only 38 centimeters wide. Larger gear jams easily. Hidden surges. Small mistakes suck machine into cracks. Even advanced ROVs can't ensure safe return. Stranger. This abyss isn't motionless either. Geologists found Jacob's Well linked to groundwater. Seasonal surges swing pressure. Drone drops out. Rocks block calms. Video lost. Then technology seemed powerless before this ancient ground. No exaggeration. Since 1964, 9 divers died here. Lost. Most suffocated. Others trapped by cave-in rubble. Quiet drone footage shows exploration's cost. Despite risks, scientists use underwater drones, sonar, and cameras to 3D map Jacob's Well, uncovering unique geology and possible ancient river connections. 7th, Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle, formed by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, covers up to 3.95 million kilometers squared in the western North Atlantic. Unofficial name. No map says Bermuda Triangle, yet it's a notorious ocean no-go zone. Ships. Planes vanished. 1918 USS Cyclops to 1945 Flight 19. Century-old vortex swallowing reason. Fear. USS Cyclops. Earliest major disappearance. 1918. 309 crew. Manganese-laden ship vanished crossing Bermuda Triangle from Brazil. No distress calls or reports, as if the ocean erased them. Not isolated. December 1945. 5 U.S. bombers vanished. The rescue plane vanished too. These events earned the Bermuda Triangle the nickname Earth's Black Hole. Now, underwater drones explore it. In kilometers-deep trenches, drones filmed stacked wrecks, twisted metal, bubble-filled zones. Scientists think this may be linked to methane hydrate release, sudden methane eruptions from the seabed lower water density, causing ships above to lose buoyancy and sink instantly. Underwater drone data confirms methane activity here. Some disappearances may be natural. Drones also detected magnetic field anomalies. Researchers found brief compass disruptions in some Bermuda Triangle waters, causing deviations of several degrees. Such small errors can cause pilots to get lost at sea. Log site instrument failure. Compass error. Now magnetic anomalies explain it. Still, the Bermuda Triangle's shadow remains. Drone footage shows wrecks in silt, algae coral covered, yet wings and hulls show. Shocking. Fragments look pressure-crushed, metal spiraled, as if torn by immense force. Scientists found that only a 30-meter-high rogue wave could cause similar catastrophic, devastating, massive damage. The Bermuda Triangle breeds rogue waves. Currents, storms, terrain form deadly traps. Sixth, Antikythera mechanism. World's analog computer seems modern, yet it was built around 100 BCE. The Antikythera mechanism. In 1900 near Greece's Antikythera, a Roman ship lay 50 meters down. Divers found treasures, but a corroded bronze lump rewrote tech history. With underwater drones, the team scanned and rebuilt the fragile wreck, exposing dense gears and dials, ancient Greek engineering brilliance, and unmatched precision craftsmanship. Antikythera, built 1st century BCE, 2,000 plus years ago. After repeated research, people found this device does more than just tell time. Its gears model sun, moon, and planets, predicting eclipses and Olympic cycles. Front dial shows zodiac, dates. Back rings track phases and cycles. Turn the side crank. 30-plus bronze gears compute star and moon cycles. Shockingly intricate mechanism. Research shows Metonic and Saros cycle math. Greeks mechanically modeled them before modern astronomy fully scientifically confirmed and validated them accurately. Even more impressive, its moon phase dial accounts for the moon's speed changes. It takes strong astronomy and math to master. Drone scans proved the machine's precision. 4-spoke main gear precisely meshes, driving follower gears to match sun-moon motion ratios. Software rebuild shows gear density matches 14th century clocks, yet 1400 years older. Scientists even sighed. Runaway visitor from wrong era. Thus Greeks cast cosmic order as metal gears. Early mechanical cosmos, showing stars follow law, not gods. Concrete ideas show ancients computed the world. Number 5. Mahabalipuram 7 pagodas. Legend. 7 grand temples once stood on India's southern coast. Gleaming, angered sea god sent a wave, swallowing 6, leaving 1 sentinel. Mahabalipuram's 7 pagodas legend was dismissed centuries, until underwater drones. Sonar revealed secrets finally. Mahabalipuram on Tamil Nadu's Bay of Bengal coast was a 7th century Pallava port. Its shore temple still stands, UNESCO listed. Beneath it, the waves conceal another ancient city. Since 2002, India's NIO and a British group used sonar and probes, finding walls, carvings, bases 500 to 700 meters offshore, man-made structures. Their scale and layout suggest 6 temples submerged. 2004, tsunami revealed secrets. Waves withdrew hundreds of meters. Locals saw seabed stones, towers, an ancient city returned. Divers found lion-elephant carvings, sea-weeded walls, plus temple steps. All this matches the ancient legend. Drone sonar shows vast linear ruins, dated 1st BCE 8 CE. Some resunk by quakes, tsunamis. Scientists note this coast was a major port and trade religion hub. Pallavas built Shiva Vishnu temples, uniting power faith. Geological shifts. Retreating coast swallowed buildings. Some ruins sank a millennium. Coral and silt cover stones. Tech identifies shapes. Submersible seabed footage shows faint temple carvings. Pillar-based geometry looks eerie in dim light. Time frozen. Studies show Mahabalipuram's coast saw sea rises and storms, submerging ruins in stages. 7 pagodas weren't destroyed overnight. They sank over centuries. This discovery transcends archaeology, proving India mastered architecture, religion, sea trade, and climate geology evidence. Now archaeologists will use high-precision unmanned underwater drones to 3D map, restore city. 4th, Sargasso Sea, Earth's only shoreless sea, about 6 million kilometers square, bounded by North Atlantic currents. Sargassum covers its surface, forming a floating golden rainforest that supports millions of marine creatures and starts the food chain. But when underwater drones and ROVs first dove deep, scientists found not a peaceful paradise, but a strange, alien abyss. Drone footage is stunning. From 250 to 4,000 meters deep. No sun. Colder. Pressure hundreds atmospheres. Extremophile creatures emerged. Some transparent. Organs and bones visible. Some eyeless sensing dim light. Others glow blue-purple. Ghost-like drifting deep. Scientists call it the blackwater layer. Fragile. Terrifying. Frames look sci-fi horror. Unsettlingly. The drone filmed unknown creatures often. Odd-shaped. Eerily moving. They match no known fish. Invertebrates. Researchers suspect some are unnamed species. Others say extreme deep-sea conditions cause mutations. Sargasso Sea's horror comes from creatures and its eerie ecosystem. Just below the floating seaweed, life is dense, but drops off deeper. Scientists suggest this sea's ecosystem is split. Bright algae above, dark hunting zone below. Deep sea fish rise nightly, sink daily. Vertical migration, Earth's biggest daily move, larger than land mammals. Night filming. The drone caught thousands of glow plankton rising. Eerie, like sea breathing. Humans still affect this sea. Researchers found microplastics and metal bits in 4,000-meter sediments. Plastic ropes snared coral. Scientists, shocked. Sargasso Sea once pristine, now dump site for trash, pollution. In the deep sea, human traces seem ghostly, like surface spirits drifting into the unknown. Top 2. Lost City. Cleopatra VII, Ptolemaic Egypt's last true ruler and pharaoh, a legend among ancient women. Now, after millennia, she's found beneath Mediterranean. Alexandria thrived where Greek, Egyptian, Roman worlds met. East Harbor Antirodos Island was Ptolemaic royal's palace. Circa 250 BC, Cleopatra built palace temple. Red granite columns. Sphinxes signaled glory. Nature wins. Palaces can't defy fate. In the 4th century, quake and tsunami hit Alexandria. Island and palace sank. Forgotten. Not until the 1900s did French diver archaeologist Frank Gaudio survey Alexandria's East Harbor. Drone glides. Pillars. Statues. Ruins appear on camera. Granite blocks weigh tons. Ice's bases still look grand. Divers found Sphinx, stelaes, pottery. Shipwreck remains 5 meters down. Lost civilization resurfaces now. Archaeologists found 9-ton columns, likely Cleopatra-era temple parts. Some statues show refined faces. Ptolemaic style. Drone footage shows palace rubble. Time's wreckage, lying amid sand. Most haunting. Under seabed light and shadow, statues still gaze up. Nature swallowed world. Cleopatra VII, queen of romance and might. Multilingual and shrewd. allied with Julius Caesar and Mark Antony to preserve Egypt's independence. Her palace hosted power play there. Now splendor lies underwater. Her tail and palace, wade buried. Now Alexandria's ruins draw divers. At 5 to 10 meters deep, seabed holds countless ancient relics. Divers glimpse history's shadows, as if time reveals a kingdom's end. Each dive speaks with the past, touching buried dignity. Number 1. Aliens. Alien Life Deep Sea ROV video at 3,700 feet in Indian Ocean reignited interest in question. A bizarre creature drifts in the deep sea, shifting like sci-fi effects. Footage shows it starts flat, membrane-like, like an open umbrella, fading in dark water. Black, eerie, alien-looking. After seconds, it shrank into a small sphere, then floated, glowing, rainbow refracting. Instant shape-shifting makes us ask, life or illusion? Deep-sea marvel, or some unrecorded new species? Scientists and deep-sea enthusiasts believe it's likely a deep-sea ctenophore variant. Comb jellies are transparent sea creatures that swim with 8 ciliary rows, creating rainbow-like colors. In the deep sea, they may have evolved dark colors to hide in the darkness. Jet black jelly isn't mysterious. Black body adapts to deep sea pressure. Darkness. Also, humans haven't fully explored the deep sea's high pressure, cold, and dark environment. This creature's rapid shape-shifting and glowing may be its natural response to stimuli like water disturbed by the ROV. Deep-sea creatures might have unknown ways to adapt and change. Still, not everyone is convinced. Scholars and fans doubt. Angle, lighting, currents, camera can mislead. Video's full transformation claim still lacks authoritative proof. The comb jelly species hasn't been matched to the one in the video, so we might be seeing a new, undescribed deep-sea creature. Some insist it's alien, not from Earth. Scientists remain unsure. Maybe someday, deeper sea dives will unlock these aliens' secrets. Then these odd deep-sea drifters may join Earth's biodiversity. That's all for this video of our 10 scariest underwater drone finds. Which stuck with you most? Comment below.